In this lesson, I will explain to you the formatting of currency, time and date. Right, our first column is the currency column, and here is 21,000, 10,000, and so on. If you want to add the symbol of the currency, yes, you can add, but first of all you have to select the column. Whatever function you want to apply in Excel, keep in mind you have to select the data first. And in the number group, see, this is the dollar symbol here. Open this arrow, then you can see this is the dollar symbol, this is the United Kingdom pound, Chinese euro, and so on. Whatever you want, just click there. I'm just going to click on the dollar sign. Then you can see the dollar and 21,000. After 30 we have a comma as well. It is easy to read now. But if you will see that this is the decimal, after decimal we have 20 as well. So if you do not want after decimal any number, so you can increase or decrease the decimal from here. This is for the decrease decimal if you do not want. But after that you decided yes, you need decimal, so from here you can increase or decrease according to your choice. So simple it is, right? Another way, right? If suppose you want another symbol, so what you have to do, open this arrow, right? No number format arrow. Then you can see this dialog box, and third item is the currency. Click here. So far we have dollar here. Open this and you can find out all the symbols there, whatever you want, right? Suppose if you want this Japanese, so just click here and okay. Now it is converted into Japanese symbol. So I hope this is clear. Now, second column is the time column, and this is our time, right? When you will select this, we are going to change the formatting. So what you have to do, first select it, right, and open the same this corner arrow which is called the number format. If you do not want to open number format from here, I have written control plus 1. If you want to use your keyboard, so control plus 1, right? Same dialog box will open here, and then is the time. This one is the time, and these are the different formatting how you want your time. If you want to 1:30 and 55 second as well, right? Or 13 means after 12 it is 13, 14, and so on. If I say yes, I need this formatting, just click here and okay. Then you can see we have the seconds as well. The third is the date column, right? If you want, just click here. You will get the number format, right? And this is the date. But if you want to use the keyboard, then control plus 1. I am going to press control plus 1 together. Then you can see we have here is the date. Whatever format you like, you can pick from here. This is the custom. If you will click here custom, then you can make your own. This is the type, right? In type I will write down that first I need my day, right, and then and you can see here this is the sample. What I am going to write down here, you will see the sample here. First is the date, and then is the month, and then year is YYYY, right? It is 2021. So if I will apply here, so you will see, sorry, I forget to select the data first. Go back one more time. Now we will pick another format, right? So okay, this time I am going to pick this format. So you see that 17th of February, when I will click OK, now my date is, first is the date, then in letters FEB and 21. I will show you one more time different format. After that you can practice. Go to the custom, right? This time, okay, I say I need this. This is the time, sorry. So you can play here which one I want. I want it. It was before, right? Okay, this one. February 17th, 2021. Now you can see we have a complete spelling, So now this is your homework as well. Click on different formatting and check what is the output. So see, it's long, all our pound sign. What is the meaning of this? It means that our data cannot fit in this width. If you want to increase, just double click here. Now you will see here all the dates are there, and this is January. That is why it is January 21st, 2021. So I hope this lesson is clear. Please practice it. See you in the next lesson, and thank you.